You just look. Okay. So today we're doing a new installation, 4-ton train out in East Fort Lauderdale. And this is inside, as you can see. A lot of mold type substance. This is the supply planner. I'll get real close. Look at this thing. So this is what I'm talking about here every day. This is the planner. Should look like this, but that's how it is. It's pretty bad inside here, as you could see.
Nigel, make sure she sees that it's going up in the duct.
Yeah.
Because I didn't send her pictures of that.
Going up into the dock? Okay.
I just showed her this thing.
Yeah. This is as real as it gets right here. Real as it gets. This is inside the blower, man. This is inside the blower. This is why we're replacing this with this brand new